Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I properly and safely take my wig off at home, because a lot of people don't know how to safely take the wig off and it will damage your edges. And yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. This here is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. The link is always down in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. And yeah, I'll be teaching you how I safely remove my lace. Okay, so first thing first, this is the bolt hole lace remover. I have this over a year ago and I really love this. And if you don't have a lace remover, you could go ahead and use your 91% alcohol. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the bolt hole since I already have it. But if I didn't, I would just use my alcohol. And I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair back. And then I'm going to start spraying it on. It's almost done, so I have to go get another one. But you can use any lace remover, to be honest. It doesn't matter if it's bolt hold or whatever company. As long as it's a lace remover, go ahead and use that. And also be careful not to let it go into your eye, because this is so strong. This bolt hole lace remover is very strong. The scent is very, very strong. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it all over my edges. And then I'm going to go ahead and safely pull it, because this it doesn't take long to come off, to be honest. Like as soon as I rub it in with my hand, as you can see I'm doing, it will start lifting up. This is how good this is. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And I'm just pulling my hair just to make sure that it is coming off. And if it's also like pulling my edges really hard, I keep on rubbing it and spraying it. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of lift it up a little bit. I know it look kind of hard and like, oh girl, calm down, it's going to pull your edges out. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, don't be alarmed. I'm not pulling it. I'm just taking my time, even though it look like I'm pulling it, but I'm not. So every time I feel a little bit of pull, like my edges is pulling, I just go ahead and spray. So that's exactly what I'm doing right here. So as you can see, it is almost done, but you know what? I'm gonna go order another one. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to rub my fingers, and as you can see, the front is lifting up already. Like, look at that. This is Erica J glue, by the way, guys. I have this wig on for over a week, almost 2 weeks, and I do not keep on wigs so long, because I always change it, because I want to show you guys different hair texture and different style and stuff that I have. But let me tell you something, this Erica J glue is the GOAT. Okay, it's not sponsored. I bought it with my own money, so I'm just giving you my honest opinion. If you do not have the Erica J glue, please, I'm telling you, trust me, you will be surprised and you will be happy with your purchase. So the size is still kind of tense, because I could feel my edges kind of pulling up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead again and spray. And I do have edges, but it's thin, okay? I do have edges, but it's very, very thin. So let me go ahead and just keep on spraying and just, you know, taking my time and just pull it off. So now that you see I'm pulling it off, I'm just trying to take the stocking cap off the lace, because I did the stocking cap method. So everything is coming up, guys, like everything when I put this lace remover on. And I'm just trying to be funny right here, trying to get a thumbnail or something. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to just, you know, take my sweet time and just pull it off. But the sides is like harder to come off than the front part. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm trying to be silly. So now that the hair is off, I want to show you the inside of the wig. And as you can see, there is still glue on it, which is normal. I will show you how I take this glue off the lace. But yeah, you can see that none of my hair is out, none of my hair is on the lace, it is still on my head. But yeah, this is pretty much the way how you take your wig off, you know, properly at home. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off the stocking cap, which, as I said, I have to keep on putting more and rub it in. And I normally let it sit for like the most 5 minutes or even less, and then just pull it off. But you know, pretty much that's how it is. And I'm going to take my time and lift it up. I can feel the tension when I pull it, so I'm going to keep on putting more lace remover until it gets, you know, softer and just come off easily. So I'm going to use my, not condition, shampoo. I forgot the name of it. It's Sanchui, something like that. Can't pronounce that shit. But anyway, this is a shampoo. It's not a purple shampoo. It's just a regular shampoo. And what I do before I wash my wig, just to take it, the glue off the lace, I just spray and put some shampoo onto where the glue is on the lace, and use my fingers and just rub it in, rub. This will definitely like loosen up the lace. I'm saying lace. Loosen up the glue so that when you wash your hair, everything just melts right out. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm also gonna put it onto the top of the lace, you know, so that everything can just marinate and just, you know, be all right. So when I wash my hair, so I normally leave it for a day. You don't have to, but this is what I always do. I always leave it for a day, and then the next day I wash it out. So I'm going to go ahead and put that same shampoo onto my forehead, like the edges part, and just rub it in. And I'm not taking out my braids. I have on nails, as you can see, and I always braid my own hair. So I'm not going to take my braids out because I have this braid in for like 3 weeks now. 2 weeks, yeah. I have this braid in for 2 weeks now, so I'm not taking it out. I'm just gonna wash my forehead and where the lace and the glue is, and then just put on another hair. That's what I do, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just rub that shampoo and keep on slowly taking it off. I'm gonna use a comb and just kind of pull away from my hair, and also the lace, I mean not the lace, and also the stocking cap. So as you can see, one side is coming off and it's all off, and this other side was a pain in the ass. Like seriously, it was pulling, and I was like, oh hell no. So I let it sit for at least 5 minutes, and then I took it off. So after the 5 minutes, I went ahead and just used a comb and pull it. And trust me guys, it did not pull my edges out. Okay, it did not. I'm going to show you the stocking cap. That is no hair onto the stocking cap. As you can see, look good. Okay, look good. There is no hair on the stocking cap. And this is how I properly and securely take my lace off. So I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it off, and I have water onto this towel, and then the white part that you see on my hair is the what is it, the got to be glue, the yellow bottle. Yeah, that's what I use to like push my edges back so that it could be flat when I put my wig on. So that white part that is not dirt, okay, is glue. So yeah, so I'm showing you 2 weeks of my hair. This is the way how it look. As you can see, it's growing out. Don't mind my kitchen at the back, but yeah, this is 2 weeks, and I'm not, as I said, I'm not going to take the braids out. I'm leaving it just like this, and when I'm going to put on another wig, I'm just going to comb it back and put it on. That's it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how the lace and the glue is on the hair. So the next day I went ahead and I washed it out, and there is no glue on the lace. As you can see, it is completely clean and ready to install again. So this is the way how it is, and it's really easy to do. Just go ahead and just you know, wash it out, let it air dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on the mannequin head. And I'm gonna use my favorite bottle. You guys know what's in this bottle already. Okay, and then I always spray it and then let it sit until I'm ready to do this wig again. But it's simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.